Hello students, once again welcome back to English Literature Classroom. Today I am going to give few question answers of the poem Haunted House written by H.W.Longfellow. It's very important poem for academic session 2025 and 26. Before giving the question answer, let me tell you something about the poem and the poet. H.W. Longfellow was a leading member of the Fireside Poets, a 19th century American literary group. All the poets of these groups were as popular as the British poet. Now, this poem, Haunted House, is a poem about the houses which are haunted. Now, in this poem, the poet tells that all houses, not just those which are abandoned or deserted in lonely places where men have lived and died, are haunted house. According to the poet, all the houses are haunted house. Okay? The spirits of all the dead move in and out of the houses purposely and silently. They can be seen if one can see them everywhere in the house, at the doorway, on the stairs, in the passages, like impression on ear. They are present at dining tables. That is why there are more guests at the table than invited by the host. The speaker can see and hear these phantoms. These phantoms are the earlier dwellers in the houses visited by to them. They visit them as if they were still their owners, though there are no title deeds in these houses in their names now. The world of the spirits floats delicately like an atmosphere around our real world. All our activities on the material plane occur within or near a medium of the departed souls. The moonlight that falls across the ocean waves seems to form a sort of waving bridge of light. This waving bridge of light is similar to the one that descends from the world of spirit to our earth. This bridge can be crossed only by the departed spirits, not living human beings. Okay, this is a short summary of this poem. Now, I want to give you the theme of this poem. Okay, the theme of the poem is the reassuring presence of the spirit of our loved ones. Clear? Once again, I am repeating. The theme of the poem is the reassuring presence of the spirits of our loved ones. The poem focuses on the idea that ghosts, if they exist, are not disturbing as humans commonly believe. Clear? What do we all believe? We believe that the ghosts are very menacing, they are very disturbing. But here in this poem, okay, the poet focuses on the idea that ghosts, if they exist, are not menacing and sinister as humans commonly believe. All houses are visited by the spirits that once dwelt there. In that sense, all houses are haunted houses. Clear? According to the poet, all houses are haunted houses. This is a surprising thought, but it is true if we keep in mind how we fondly remember our departed family members and friends. We thus keep their spirits alive, isn't it? They may be supposed to visit their former dwelling places without harming anyone, unseen, unfelt, like mists and vapors. The world of spirit is a mystery. Okay, what is the world of spirit? It's a mystery which our mind continues in which our mind continues in probe, endless in one way or the other. Now, let's start question answer. First question: why are all the houses haunted? What kind of houses are they? According to the narrator of the poem, all the houses are haunted because they are visited by the ghosts or spirit of the earlier occupants. These ghosts are described as harmless phantoms who are busy with errands. Errands means duty. These spirits visit the houses with open doors. These are the haunted houses, carrying the memories, experiences, and emotions of the earlier occupants. Clear? Now, next question. Who are the harmless phantoms? How are these phantoms different from the usual image of the phantoms? The spirit of the past occupants who visit the house and remain busy with their errands are referred to as harmless phantoms. The phrase is unusual because it goes against the common belief that ghosts are menacing and harmful. Here, the ghosts are portrayed as harmless. Next question. What errands are done by these phantoms? Are their errands different from the known errands of phantom? These phantoms remain busy with their errands and move around the house as they did when they were living. Yes, their errands are different from the known errands because it's a common belief that phantoms are menacing and harmful, but these phantoms are harmless as they remain busy with their errands and move around the house without making any sound upon the floor. Up to this much. With this, I am concluding this video. In my next video, I am going to bring something new. Until then, goodbye.